Hey everybody, and welcome to Zelic Media. I want to thank everybody that joined me on the adventure of building this PC, and I'm sure most of you are wondering what it looks like now that it's complete. And some good news, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. I have everything updated. I have played a little bit of Elden Ring already, maybe about half an hour, 10 hours worth. Not much, but just to kind of get my feet wet. And without further ado, let's see what it looks like. And for the final peel, the mark of it being completely done. Oh man. Stuck on there a little better than I anticipated. Well, we finally did it. I think the PC looks great. It took some time. As you know, we struggled through the motherboard BIOS. We struggled through plugging stuff in. We struggled with the cable management. But it was a fun learning process, and I'm glad I was able to share that experience with all of you. If you would like to see more of that kind of stuff, let me know. If you would like to see other stuff, definitely let me know in the comments, and I'll just keep doing this. I like teaching, I like learning new things, so this was a great project. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one, everyone.